connect your WordPress site to TextBuilder and start using automated article creation, you first need to make sure you have a TextBuilder account and that you're logged into it. Without an account, you won't be able to connect your website. So that's the first essential step. Once you're logged in, head over to the Autopilot section of TextBuilder and click on the WordPress Connect tab. Here you'll see a list of all the websites already linked to your TextBuilder account. If you haven't added your website yet, you'll need to do that now. Open a new tab and go to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Plugins section. You'll need to install the official TextBuilder plugin on your WordPress site. Make sure you're still logged in to your TextBuilder account in the same browser. This step is crucial. If you're logged in on another browser or tab, the connection might fail. In the Plugins section, click on Add New and search for the term TextBuilder. Once you find the plugin in the results, click to install it. After installation is complete, activate the plugin directly. At this point, the plugin will attempt to connect to your TextBuilder account automatically. Because you're logged in on the same browser, the connection should be established seamlessly. Now return to your TextBuilder dashboard and refresh the WordPress Connect page. Your newly linked WordPress site should now appear in the list. This means the setup is successful and your site is now ready to be used with TextBuilder for automated content creation. You can now generate new articles and publish them directly to your WordPress site from within the TextBuilder interface. To ensure better accuracy and relevance of the AI-generated articles, don't forget to define the categories and tags used on your website. This helps the TextBuilder system better understand your site's structure and topics, allowing it to create more appropriate and well-targeted content. Tagging and categorizing properly at this stage will improve the performance of the Autopilot feature significantly. Once everything is connected and organized, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is generating articles using AI and publishing them directly on your blog. This integration makes it easier to manage content creation efficiently and consistently, saving you time while maintaining quality.